Slow intro. And
Adventure Time! Season 2 Part 7.
7.
Woo! 7. Woo! I just ate Gushers.
Shall we? We're jumping.
We're wait for after them start.
We gotta go get Mitch's shot put award.
What place did I get?
You got first place.
First place.
Big surprise.
Big surprise. Champion.
Manly man.
Number 1.
You're gonna get Mitch.
What?
What did you think you were gonna get?
Oh, you did.
Alright, let's go. Let's go. Here we go.
That guy just got a triple collider on those shoes.
Yeah, boy. Watch out. Stay out of the high jump area.
Alright, so basically today, not a lot happened. It's been a really low-key, boring day. And, I mean, I won with a pretty decent throw of mine. And then they all wanted to do a spin technique, which was really funny. And I would have won when I did mine of that. That was far enough to win too.
Your camera's all dirty.
Got a gooby on it.
Dirty.
Gooby.
Look how dirty you are.
Okay, it's not on the lens. So now we're gonna get my award. So I'm an arrogant asshole.
I'm gonna go get my award too. For discus. I got second.
Sweet. Here.
Okay, Chris, we're gonna film. You guys ready? We're going in.
Dead end. We'll stand here. Don't cross this line. Tyler, you fouled.
Foul.
We're just standing.
Look at that swat.
What a badass.
What a badass.
What do you think about this track meet so far?
Well, if I have to put it lightly, it sucks a big penis.
I completely agree. I haven't even done anything yet, except for the decathlon.
Do they not have it yet? They have Braden's? Race in progress. Oh, Mitch is doing a handstand.
Yay!
What is Derek?
Like,
Okay.
later. Hey, how many of you know Derek Dunn? None of you, of course. He's running the 200.
He's a nobody.
Guys, guess what just happened? I was tied with someone for second.
In what?
Discus.
Oh, you were tied?
Yeah, I was tied with Austin.
I want to tie you.
I'll tie you up.
Okay, so here's the plan. Okay,
Y'all ready
we're
for
gonna
this?
stay here till 4 o'clock.
You might want to write
So
this down.
we can watch her run, right? Right? Or throw.
Who?
Marissa?
We still got long jump happening too.
Do we really want to watch it though?
Hell no.
I like Nathan.
Hell no. So here's the plan. We're gonna pile up in my car, right? We're gonna drive to the Hojo.
Hojo.
Drive to the Hojo. Get your money. Get your swim trunks. And then we are going to go to Taco Bell.
Taco Bell.
I like Taco Bell.
Here comes Mitch. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no.
Dodged.
Okay.
You wanna die,
Bitch!
I've been assaulted.
So after Taco Bell, we're gonna go to my hotel, the Holiday Inn. Oh, leapfrog! And then we're gonna swim and hang out. Boom!
Bam.
Yeah!